Surely.
Ready, 1, 2, ta-ta-ta-ta, boom, clap. You guys smell like my bum, boom, clap. He thinks he's eating chewing gum, boom, clap.
I wanna take shots with somebody. Shots.
This is where we hold them. This is where we fight. And these shields, boys. Spartans, lay down your weapons.
Boss, I'm not coming in today.
Everything okay?
I don't know, I think I'm sick.
When I'm sick, I bang my wife.
That works?
Hell yeah. Hello?
Woo!
How was it?
Great, man, you have a nice house.
Death!
Son, I'm not good today. Man.
Respect for her in the world. She's done a hard job there. She's, ran through everybody, but I'm a different fighter. Touched me, and I told her that fake sweet act I see right through it. I really do. It was all fake. All until now. All that respect, all that everything, all you being sweet. I see right now that it's fake, and you're going to get it on Sunday. You're not the first person that thought that you had the perfect plan to beat me. It's not the first time your camp thought that they had the perfect plan to beat me. I'm going to show you on Sunday why I'm the champ.
A few moments later.